Hey guys, what's going on? So back at you guys with another update video in the Cobalt. I know it's been a while since you guys heard from my Cobalt. So this is the old turbo. Sorry about that, just holding the flashlight. This is the old turbo. As you can see right there, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, I'm trying to get a good shot of it. The turbo has a crack. Yeah, there we go. I can see it right there. There's a crack right there. So I think that could be the culprit. It's either that or a faulty bypass valve on the stock turbo, because I took the car to a shop and I had them analyze it, and they said yes, it's the bypass valve. Sometimes it's staying open, sometimes it's closing or something like that. So yeah, this is the factory turbo. As you can see, it's old and it's worn out. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated in regards to this car. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Thanks for checking it out, and take care. Peace.